Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide photos on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Hide photos using the Photos app. First open the Photos app, then find the photo or videos you want to hide. Then tap on select, choose the photo or videos, then tap on three dots in the top of the screen, then tap on hide and confirm by tapping hide photos. The photo is now hidden from your main library. Step 2. Find the hidden photos album. To view hidden photos, tap on collection, then scroll down in the Photos app. Next tap on hidden under utilities. Your hidden photos will appear here instead of your main photos feed. Step 3. Lock the hidden album with Face ID or Touch ID. To keep hidden photos secure, go to settings. Next tap on photos, turn on using Face ID or Touch ID for the hidden album. Now your hidden photos are locked and can't be opened without authentication. Step 4. Unhide photos anytime. To unhide a photo, open the hidden album, then tap select, choose the photo, tap the three dots and select unhide. And that's how you can hide photos on iPhone in just few steps. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.